Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the viewers to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine. In this video, viewers amazing ideas and new and stylish pattern. And in this video, I am introducing new and stylish flowers beads and amazing ideas. So subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video also. That are so much amazing tops, so you are like and enjoy this video. हम आपके लिए अच्छे अच्छे गार्डनिंग के आइडियाज़ लेकर आएंगे एंड you like this video and enjoy this video. So unique and amazing ideas in these videos and sharing flowers and beads designs, new creative ideas. In this video, much stylish pattern. Like this video and enjoy my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video also. I am introducing with you different designs. I hope so you like, subscribe and comment my channel. और कमेंट में बताएं कि आपको हमारे आइडियाज़ कैसे लगते हैं. I hope so you like and subscribe my channel. Such a great and good ideas. I am sharing such a great and good ideas with you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. You will enjoy my ideas and you will enjoy my amazing ideas and my good collection. I hope so you like my video and enjoy my ideas. Thank you viewers.